great.
Ow. Hey, I need help pulling this out. This is like sticking up.
It's your present. I'm not
It's your
gonna
present. You open it.
Well, it's hot. It's sticky now, and I can't get it off.
Just don't be
Grab
dainty
this
with
and
it. Just
like
go.
that. There you go.
Oh.
There you go.
Look at that front, Matthew.
I know.
That front is hard. It's pretty sweet. Got fire wax on it. How sweet that is. Look at that. Whoa, that head view. The head view. Ow.
Don't let the present beat you up.
I can easily kill it.
Get back.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Pretty good. I like that
You
fire.
like that? You like the flames on it? Isn't that cool?